You know what? It doesn't matter. This is my last video. This is literally my last video for the vacations. Remember, this one is a fireball. That was close. Da, 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 da. No, wrong button. I pressed the. Okay, it doesn't matter. Wait, let me just put full screen. Oh, wrong button. Okay, we can still. God damn it. Okay. No! I lost my. Okay, now. Oh no. Because I sometimes spam too much. And it hurts. Because my arm is tired. I forgot. Okay. Oh god damn it. I'm dead. Happity 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 happity. Okay. God damn it. This song is 2 minutes. You have to be kidding me. I'm too late. Oh, shift is shift, but I forgot. God damn it. Don't have. How? Wait, what? Oh my god! Give me some time! It would start shooting me for no reason. So when I pause the timer, okay, that's bad. But I need time. Okay, let's restart that. Okay. Oh, almost the wrong button. Okay, let me stretch my arms because I already lost 7 times. Okay, let's calm down. Wait, what? That's not what I wanted to do. Okay, wait. God damn it. I'm just gonna pause at that time that I lose because 2 minutes, like it's gonna take so long. So I'm gonna pause it. How did I did perfect exactly? If I got 13 misses, how did I did perfect? That doesn't make sense. If I'm correct, this is the part that I die. Oh no, I'm about to die. I'm about to buzz. No! I said it, I'm about to buzz. You know what? If I cannot beat it, let's go versus bad time. How bad can it be? A bad time. It's just how many minutes? 3 minutes. I'm gonna waste my life. Don't move? Okay. Okay, move. Oh, this is so fast. Oh my damn. That is fast. Let's try again. Okay. If I'm gonna beat it, I'm gonna beat it. Oh damn. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna try to do the Cuphead one. Devil Gambit it was called. Let's try again. Okay. God damn it. Oh god damn it. I don't know what to do. It's so hard. Oh no. Yes! That's what I needed. Yes, we're doing alright. And now we stop for 2 seconds. ASMR de botella de agua. Well, now we're gonna take a sip of my water. Okay. I got enough time, so 1 minute. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, what? Oh no, this is bad. I feel like something bad is gonna happen. I knew it. You know what? Let's do something else. I'm tired. I'm tired. Let's play Dandy's World. Hello, Dandy's World. El huerto de Dandy. Dandy's nuts. Ugh. I don't think this game wants to play like a normal round. This game wants to like. This game wants to literally just roleplay, and there's a roleplay section. Right here it says roleplay. Why do you need to do this if ABC? Oh yeah. Oh, we finally found one. Al fin encontramos una ronda, amigos. See? We're gonna start the round for like seconds, and I'm gonna record this later. Maybe I'm gonna edit this. Maybe. One of my friends know how to edit stuff, so I'm gonna tell him to edit at a time. That's a lot of people. We're gonna win. Is it actually like round 100 the exit? If it is, yeah. Like I almost never played this game. Sometimes I played it. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna pause the video because I just got 1 minute. So bye bye. I will heal if you would add. Perfect. We got a healer. I can just hear the noises, the people dying, me relaxing, getting my stamina, and ooh, good job. Let's go. What do you mean by please, bro? What do you mean by please? Okay. Nah. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's go. Did someone die already? I'm literally at 1 heart. Ooh, give me those combos, please. Like I'm not kidding. Okay, I will heal you. Let's go. I'm getting a heal. Yeah. I almost got murdered. Murder. This is playing Dandy's World because you just gotta get scared sometimes. Come on, come on, come on. Get this, get this. Yippee! I did it. I'm still alive. Penny. Oh, I'm gonna choose this because okay. Well, I got some seconds, so bye bye guys. And see you in the next one. Bye. I'm not gonna do like videos like in 5 days because of school.